And Mind Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful Sunday. And the title of the video is, Do you see what I see? Remember, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. And please hit that like button. You'll be doing me a massive favor. Remembering, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so you should always do your own research. None of the information provided in this video should ever be seen as a signal to buy or to sell. But first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. We are ranked up one rank to 51 with a market cap of $1.39 billion with a 24-hour volume of $24 million. And Quant sitting at that price of $115, which always looks very, very nice to be way above that $100 stable. And we're up 0.8% in the hour, down 2.4% in the day, but up 14.2% in the week. It's looking rather red. There are a few out there that are buzzing with some life, but as you know, this doesn't bother me. The long-term hold is where I am at. So we go over to Bull Shark Trading. This is one he did yesterday evening, and we see a beautiful run yesterday with high of $118, price approaching buy side liquidity at $119.94, and an area of resistance shown by the volume profile of $122 to $126. We can see from the order flow chart and tape that sellers are trying to absorb the buying pressure, green candles and negative deltas, and large market sells coming around the current price levels. If price continues up, we will look to see what the data and price action gives us at the resistance. Ideally, we want to see the resistance mitigated, sending price back to the POC before continuing up once more. And as we can see, the Quant BTC pair, the fair value gap, almost fully filled and reversed, now needs to continue up and flip the resistance trend line. With more and more bullish news coming out, we have never been more bullish on Quant. The sub $100 buy-ins are looking to pay off, which is absolutely true. If you were buying in below that $100 mark, well, you got a nice deal there. So we move over to Crypto Quant. Now, this is quite interesting. As we can see, the last value on the exchange reserve we can see is 1.378 million. Now, what I find very, very interesting is if we look here, we can see this back in July 2021, where we see a price of $129 in exchange reserves at 1.484 million. And we're seeing, if you notice this gap here, back here, and we see the climb. Now, the correlation is that we've seen the similar over here. We're seeing this gap start to build. Now, if trend is our friend, we could be seeing a bigger price in Quant over the next couple of months, which I think is absolutely amazing. You've only got to look at the trend lines, and hopefully we will see a bigger price of Quant over the next few months or so. I'm very, very positive on Quant. And I see this wonderful tweet from Miles Bron. He said tokenization is coming to X. As you can see here, Elon Musk's vision for Twitter is like China's WeChat, but wants to take it to a new level of innovation through blockchain. There is only one solution that can actually achieve Elon Musk's vision for the everything app, Overledger. Gilbert Burdian has mentioned multiple times about Twitter becoming the everything app when Elon first took over. Furthermore, Binance invested $500 million into X to create a blockchain and crypto team. And we can see here, however, crypto exchange Binance, which has invested $500 million into Musk's buyout of a social media firm, is creating a team to work on how blockchain and crypto could be helpful to Twitter, a company spokesperson said on Friday. And if we continue, now what is Quant labeled as on Binance? Infrastructure. And we can see here infrastructure, which is quite interesting in itself. What infrastructure would they propose to Elon so X can build on the everything app? The only solution that can do it is Overledger. And we see here Zapier and Quant, and that news came out last week, and the connections are absolutely huge, and that partnership will continue. Why is Zapier integration significant? The rumors of Elon Musk's X integrating crypto is starting to pick up since his last tweet. Now, it's no coincidence of its timing of this integration between Overledger and Zapier. Every app Elon wants to integrate can now be added to his app via Overledger and Zapier. Overledger can also integrate AI into all systems via Overledger. If you ask me, the probability of this happening is very, very high. Now, I put a tweet out some while ago after watching a Watcher Guru tweet, and it said Justin received the first 3 money transmitter licenses for payment services in in the US. And we can see this video from Quant Popper. Why do you think Gilbert knows Quant?
Is securing streaming data processes. You think about all the data that Twitter produces every second. Well, how do you secure that? How do you put that on a distributed ledger technology? You have to rethink the entire architecture.
Ways to do payments using an existing platform like Twitter.
An example with Twitter, my view is that that's going to be a payment system. It's undergoing a lot of turmoil right now, and we all know why. And
Gilbert talked about is about compatibility. How do we make solutions that are compatible to existing data management solutions that developers are currently using?
Transactions or financial services that leverage that network connectivity, the human side. So I think where we're seeing things evolving is that mass explosion of new types of digital assets, new types of money, and the new types of human-to-human transactions or business-to-business transactions. If you look at what's happening, I mean, just an example with Twitter, my view is that that's going to be a payment system. It's undergoing a lot of turmoil right now, and we all know why. And but I think that's kind of the start of a new human-to-human ways to do payments using an existing platform like Twitter. So having that connected to bank systems, to central bank digital currency systems, peer-to-peer systems, we're going to have a new type of world. It's very hyper-connected. So I think 23 is the start of that.
Wow, so he's saying it there straight from the horse's mouth, Gilbert Verdian, giving us these little crumbs and obviously backing up with what Miles said as well, which is absolutely phenomenal. And we see this from Elon Musk and Gilbert Verdian replying. Elon Musk saying Ethereum, cryptic as it is. Gilbert replies, Elon, we're 20 plus years security veterans and built an OS called Overledger that connects 7 blockchains with just 3 line of code. Benefit from all DLT, including Ethereum. Tesla can also talk to any other car or device on diff blockchains and legacy. Overledger.com, let's chat. And remember, this was in 2019. So you're talking over 4 years ago. So since then, obviously, as we know, Elon has taken over Twitter as well. So, and we see this tweet from Quintessential. Elon knows, connect them all, the game of interoperability, which is absolutely phenomenal. So there you go, guys. I'll leave you with that. Remember, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. All the best, and I'll catch you later.